In an era where everyone is fighting for a second of attention, the person who doesn't seek it becomes the most interesting person in the room. Most people are afraid of being forgotten. They post every meal, every thought, and every location. But there is a dark, silent power in disappearing. Strategic absence isn't about being lonely, it's about being expensive. Today, we're decoding the blueprint of the low-key lifestyle and why disappearing might be the smartest move you ever make. Why is gold more valuable than sand? Because gold is rare. The same rule applies to your presence. When you are always available, when you reply to every text in seconds and show up to every event, you become cheap. People stop valuing your time because they know it's always there. By practicing strategic absence, you trigger a psychological response called the scarcity principle. When people can't reach you easily, they begin to wonder what you're doing. They assign more value to the moments they do spend with you. Silence creates curiosity. Curiosity creates attraction. There comes a time in every successful person's life where they must enter ghost mode. This is a period of 3 to 6 months where you cut out the noise. You stop going to parties, you stop scrolling, and you stop explaining your goals to people who don't support them. During this time, you focus entirely on 3 things: your health, your wealth, and your mindset. While the world is busy talking about what they want to do, you are busy doing it in the shadows. The most dangerous person is the one who disappears and returns with a completely different life. Don't announce your upgrade. Let them see the results. One of the biggest leaks of personal power is the need to explain yourself. When you explain your choices, you are essentially asking for permission. Low-key people don't do this. If they decide to leave a situation, they leave. If they change their mind, they change it. The less you speak, the more you can observe. Dark psychology teaches us that the silent observer always has the upper hand. You see the patterns, the lies, and the motives that loud people miss. Remember, a quiet tongue is a sign of a strong mind. When you start to disappear, people will try to guilt trip you. They will call you distant or arrogant. This is a test. They are uncomfortable because they can no longer control your narrative. Stay firm. Your absence is a filter. It filters out the people who only wanted you around because you were convenient. The people who truly value you will still be there when you resurface. Protect your peace at all costs. The blueprint is simple. Work in the dark, stay silent about your wins, and never be the loudest person in the room. If you're ready to enter ghost mode, comment "I am ready" below. Subscribe to the Ego Blueprint for more strategies on mastering your life. Until next time, stay low-key.